I go on a rant?
Hey, man.
Do I go on a rant? Can I tell you?
You sure can.
How many drones there are when it's like, oh, you should go to TVU.
Oh my God, bro.
Okay, let me break this down for you.
Hold on. Give my man's
Let me break this down for you. Oh, thank you.
Vince demands an audience.
Like the apple juice too?
Oh no, just water.
Vince demands an audience. Hold on. Oh shit, I'm fucking up. Okay. You know, Vince, do the thing. Here we go.
I should have gave you the mic, I guess.
Here we go. Give my man an audience. Go for it, Vince.
All right. Look, there's nothing bad about TVU. It's just 30 grand on a good day and 4.5 grand of data every month. And like, if I had to bring a TVU, if I was a streamer, I had to bring a TVU, I can't just hold this shit on my own. I gotta get batteries for it, and that shit drains every 2 hours, so I gotta bring extra batteries for it. Those batteries are like 500 a pop. And then I gotta make sure that the TVU bag is connected to the right server. There's a lot more infrastructure things behind it, you know? I gotta make sure that thing's good, clean, whatnot, right? And then I gotta bring a second person to hold the camera, unless I get a small camera. And here's the thing, guys, fellas. Mr. Payne, my client, wants to just have a good time streaming. He wants to do this shit himself. Have you seen a job posting saying on Indeed.com/tpain, hey yo, I'm looking for a camera guy. Bro doesn't want a camera guy, and that's fine. Extra Emily has done it with 2 phones, and she's been doing great, you know? There's so many other streamers just doing it with their phones, but you all just focus on the top 0.001%. Where's the fun in streaming? Everyone's trying to make a big idea happen. Yesterday, I saw Jason DeWeen go to a casino trying to go from $1 to $10,000. That's cool. Why does T-Pain gotta do that? He's just paying this building, bro. We are playing fucking, what? Power wash simulator, but painting. We are just having a good time. Just take the vibes. We don't have to prove ourselves that we gotta be the biggest, the best, the biggest, the best. We're just streaming. We're just fucking around. Because here's the thing. All those content creators you see, they're doing it for their livelihood. They're trying to impress. And you know what? A lot of people, I know so many people behind the scenes, the top level, you know what they're trying to do? They're trying to not be a streamer. That's crazy. They're trying to get into CAA contacts and trying to go into the industry, you know? We're talking about like being actors, being musicians, all that. They don't want to be a streamer because this is draining. Pause. We just fucking around, bro. You're telling me if he has to paint a fucking wall, he has to spend 30 grand. 30 grand for a backpack, and then the salary for a camera guy? Look, man, we don't need that every day. Sure, we'll do it once, twice. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's cool. If we have a really sick idea that demands it, of course we're gonna get that. But for this?
Right.
Are you kidding me?
It's not.
You telling me this guy spent $17,000 to buy paint, and we have to double that for a backpack just for him to paint?
Just so y'all can see it.
Are you kidding me? Look, I get it. But paint goes to like these drift events and the data's really bad. Yeah, I get it. But also, that shit is just last minute. You know what I'm saying? Like, he decides, oh, you know what? I kind of want to stream this. Oh, this is sick. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Sure, we are looking for ways to make it better. But the answer doesn't necessarily mean, oh, get the $30,000 backpack. You guys are drones advertising a 3-letter company. Yes, they make a good product, but there's other solutions. You guys are ads. You guys are free. Are they paying you? Like, are they paying you?
Sunday.
It's Sunday.
It's Sunday.
My brother in Christ. Are they giving you a cut of that 30 grand a bag? Plus the 4.5K data? Oh my God, dude.
You preaching.
Look, again, there's nothing wrong with getting a TVU. There's nothing wrong with that. You know, if you're a really big content creator with a small team that doesn't have the finances to get like a super, smart tech guy, that's fine. You know, that's fine. You can get the TVU. They have a really good support. They are selling to the people that are broadcasters. They have that 99.99% uptime. But like just to lose 1% of that, is like $30,000 less. You know, that's how the broadcast industry works. There's nothing wrong with that, right? If your livelihood is streaming every freaking day, trying to come up with big content, sure, that investment's great. That investment's great. He just doesn't want it. And you're gonna try to prove him. You're trying to persuade him otherwise. No disrespect to Pharrell, right?
Talk it.
No disrespect to Pharrell. No disrespect to Pharrell. Pharrell wants this guy back in the R&B music industry. But he's stunned. He's tired of it. He's on his retirement card. You've seen the side quests that he's been doing. He's been smiling. He's been having a good time.
Alright, boss.
Do you not remember the dark ages of T-Pain? Where this guy was about to quit everything. He's having a good time. Let him paint the fucking wall. Let him paint the fucking wall. The fuck? And this is coming from a guy that's not like the biggest T-Pain fan. Like, small background, the only reason why I said yeah, I said no to the job, by the way. I said no the first time. And then my friend persuaded me to just give it a shot because it's different than content creators. And I'm like, okay, sure. And he's been like the nicest dude ever. I don't know what to say. Bro.
Yeah, man.
But sure, advertise the TV. I don't give a shit. We're not getting it unless we want it. There you go.
Thank you.
Bang! Claps in the chat. Give it up for motherfucking Vince on. Hell yeah.